Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between LT1 and LT3 on your Casioak. This is going to be the GM2100, but this tutorial is going to work for all Casioak models that feature the module 5611. The light duration can be set to LT1 if you want the light to be on for 1.5 seconds, or to 3 in case you want it to be activated for 3 seconds. In order to arrive at the setting, we are going to press and hold the adjust button for 3 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep, and then we are going to use the mode button in order to toggle between the different options that we have. We are going to go past the setting of time and date. We are going to arrive at the ketone. We are going to go past that as well, and here we have light, as you can see. We have 3. This means that the light is going to be on for 3 seconds. If I press the light button or the start button, it is going to switch between LT1 and LT3. For example, I prefer it to be on for 3 seconds. If you want to save on your energy or to have it shorter, so for 1.5 seconds, you can switch for LT1. Once you have made the correct setting, press the adjust button and your setting is going to be saved. So that was the quick tutorial, and now you know how to switch between LT1 and LT3 on your Casio G-Shock, the Casioak. Once again guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I have a bunch of videos about other watches, watch unboxing videos, watch tutorials, vintage watches, so I'm pretty sure you are going to love it here guys. And also I have a full guide on all the functions and features of the Casioak, link in the description box below, in case you want to know how to do all the settings, how to use the world time, the chrono, the alarms, and also how to align the watch hands on your Casioak. Make sure to be subscribed, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.